Hi guys, so I'm back for another video for today. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of a certain site that I think they are the first Korean online shop that I ordered from outside Europe. I think, yeah, they're the first one that I've tried, because after searching the best online shop to order and a reliable one, they are, I think, the top one that has really good reviews. So I think I started ordering from them since 2015. I think, yeah, I think I started Korean beauty 2015, and it was really a good experience for me. It was like within 5 business days they sent it and I got it safe and sound, and I really had a pleasant experience with them. I think I ordered 4 times already, I'm not sure. This is the 5th time, I think. So the site is called Jolse.com. They're one of the really one of the popular online shops for Korean beauty, and I ordered again from them because I was looking for a certain brand, because I wanted to try another brand that uses fermentation. So they sell it, and they are the ones with a better price. Usually I order from them if I order like really heavy stuffs, because they have free shipment. So it's best to order from them if you order like shampoos, like any heavier products. But they don't offer a lot of brands, so some brands that I really want to try they don't have. Like before, they didn't have Sonnen Park and Huxley and things like that, but now I think it's available already in their website. But sometimes I think, because they offer free shipment, some products are really expensive than, for example, in Tester Korea or in YesStyle. So depends where I can see where is the best value if I ordered it in Tester Korea or in YesStyle. So depends. So now I'm back in ordering that, and I want to show you what I ordered from them and overall my review about this website. So first we're gonna do unboxing. So this is how the box looks like. So they put the quantity and the value here. So normally they don't say the exact, they say like $20 and below, so it's good for the tax. So, and yeah, that's how the box looks. I think now from now on they do K-packet, so it's faster than the standard mail that takes a long time. So I'm gonna open it. So these are, normally they're really generous with samples, like today, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and plus another sheet mask. That's how generous they are. That's why I really like Jolse. I remember also before that they gave a lot, so I'm happy they give this, because I wanted to try this line from Etude House. So yeah, that's the samples, and how they pack it really good. Like each product they really pack it good. So first product I got is Goodal Moisture Barrier Rich Moist Balm. So this is how it looks. Looks good. Next one is the MAMONDE Creamy Tint Color Balm Intense. So I wanted to try their new colors. I think these are the new releases. So they are number 22 and number 20. So I will show you how it looks like. So number 22 is Dandy Coral, and another one is this red pepper. They said this is the dope for mac chili, so I wanted to try. Maybe I will swatch it. So this is, it's more orange. Don't know if that's chili, and the other one is, and they go, this is really bright coral. So that's it. And the last one is the green tangerine honey moist Ampoule. Since I never tried Ampoule, like for in the morning before I wanted to try it. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So I'm going to use this in the morning, since they said this is also good for brightening because I have acne scars and redness and hyperpigmentation. So that's all. So those were the products that I ordered. So what I like about them is that they really have a good customer service. So when I ordered, it was really strange because they didn't deliver it after a week. So I was thinking, what is going on? So suddenly, after maybe 8 days or 9 days, they mailed me that one of the products that I was looking at. I also wanted a cleanser from Goodal, that they were looking for it everywhere and it was out of stock. So they refunded me right away, and I saw it right away in my PayPal that it was already refunded. So that's why I was really also happy that they informed me and they also refunded me right away. So it was okay, but normally they are faster than that. So within 5 days, I remember they deliver things that you order right away. So yeah, I think overall I really like this website. They're really reliable, and if I want a fast really delivery, I will go for them. Especially if you order, I think $120 and above, you will get like a shipping that is faster, like DHL, I think. So I think within a week you will get your products already. So and they're free shipping, and sometimes they also have like reviewers contests, or you can participate if you want to review a certain product that they want people to make review about it. So I joined thrice and I was chosen twice, so I'm really happy. I'm still testing the recent that I got, so I think I'm gonna make a review about it soon. So it's really nice that they have those kind of offers. I really recommend this website, and I think I will order every now and then with them, because I mostly order now from Giselle or Tester Korea. But and I like every weekend they have like 20 to 25, sometimes 30% off in certain brands, so it's better to shop with them every weekend. I noticed they really have good offers sometimes within the week, depends which brands they have on offer. So yeah, that's all about my review on Jolse. I hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.